Hello, I am Miss Hernandez, and I'm so happy that you are here. Today, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. I was born in sunny California to immigrant parents. I am half Mexican and I am half Salvadorian. I have two older sisters who are also educators. And I love that I'm half Mexican and half Salvadorian because I get to eat tacos and I get to eat pupusas. I don't know if you ever had them before, but they are delicious. Well, some of my favorite things is spending time with my family. Here I introduce to you my little family. I have a boy and I have a girl, a 13-year-old and a 7-year-old. And I love capturing those silly moments. Some of my favorite things are cooking, baking, gardening, and singing. As you can see, I make some really good pupusas and some really good chile rellenos. And I also like to make some Chinese food. And just recently, I started having this love for baking. And as you can see, the number 30 there is a cake that I made for one of my friends. And I also love actually, chocolate covered strawberries. I'm sure you will have some one day. I also like gardening. As you can see, my little garden is there, and my succulents, which I love watching and admiring because they're so pretty. And I love singing. I'm actually in this group where I sing with friends, and you can even find me on YouTube, which is pretty interesting. Things I like. I love giraffes. And here my little daughter drew me a picture of a giraffe with a little giraffe and a big giraffe that says mommy and her name, Avieli. Things I dislike. I don't know if you can see, but I have a picture of a lizard. I dislike lizards. They give me the heebie jeebies. They make me run away very fast. And I do not like to find them when I am gardening. When I do find them, I run away, I stop what I'm doing, and I call my husband out so that he can go and put it somewhere else. Things I like, things I dislike. I'm sure I'm not the only one that dislikes these things. Well, fun fact. Are you ready? My family and I were asked to be on our city's magazine cover and on our city's website. That's a pretty fun fact. So if you actually go to our city's website, you will find us in the first screen where you can navigate and go through other things that the city may have. But it's pretty interesting how you can find us. That's a picture of my family and I when my kids were very, very young. And it's always such a fun fact to tell people. Do I own a cat or a dog? What do you think? Well, I'll tell you. I own a dog. I own a dog, and her name is Macy. And Macy is pretty crazy. She loves to hop on the piano. Piano at home. We like to play the piano here, and she thinks that she can play the piano. And it's very funny, and we have lots of fun watching her. Well, another thing that I'd love to share with you is this. Why did I become a teacher? Actually, I didn't. I always say teaching chose me. I believe teaching is something that is a calling, and I feel that I was called very young, at a very young age. I was actually called when I was in third grade. And I remember my teacher was cutting some laminate paper, and it was supposed to be silent reading time. And of course, I was not doing my silent reading. I was looking at my teacher because she was cutting laminate paper. I was fascinated at the fact that her sharp scissor can cut across so nicely and so smoothly. I couldn't believe it. It was so amazing. And I said to myself, I know what I'm going to be when I grow up. I'm going to be a teacher. And I'm going to cut laminate paper and I'm going to make those beautiful bulletin boards just like my teacher does. So I was very young when I was called to be a teacher, an educator. And it's not a coincidence that you are in my class and you are meant to be here. I hope that tells you just a little bit about me, and I can't wait to meet you. See you in class.